Hi, my name is Pratik Mudali and I am today with my partner Yash, and we have developed a prototype FarmBuddy, which is a smart IoT placed plant health monitoring system.
Our product measures and displays important information to the user and is also able to irrigate the plant when the soil conditions are not optimal, ensuring that the plant is constantly taken care of and maintained. Here we have the setup for our device. As you can see, we have the PCB, which houses the temperature and humidity sensor, the motor, our water reservoir, and the soil moisture sensor, which is housed inside of our cactus plant. Looking to the Node-RED dashboard, we see that there's 3 gauges that display the temperature, humidity, and water level values. Furthermore, we decide whether or not these levels are optimal or not optimal based off of the specific plant that you chose. In our case, we're going to choose cactus. These values are predefined in Node-RED as thresholds. Furthermore, we see that there is a red LED and the water pump status is off. This is indicating that our moisture level is currently adequate. I will now take out the soil moisture sensor to demonstrate what the non-optimal condition looks like. With the sensor now out, the Node-RED dashboard has now changed to green, updated the soil moisture level, and the pump is now on and dispensing water. I will now place the sensor back into the plant to demonstrate what the high moisture condition looks like. As you can see, the water level indicator has gone back up to the proper value and the LED is now red and the pump status is now off.
Welcome to the command line interface of our prototype developed FarmBuddy. So I would be running you through all the commands which our command line interface supports. The first command is help, which basically lists out all the commands supported by our prototype FarmBuddy. The second command which I'm going to walk you through is the firmware update, which is used to download a firmware which is an over-the-air update and updates the firmware on our SAMD21. The next 2 commands is basically used to fetch the sensor values from our FarmBuddy system. The sen command is basically used to fetch the moisture value from the plant. The SST3 command is used to fetch the temperature and the humidity value of the plant. The other command which is supported by our command line interface is send MQTT, which basically sends the critical parameters of the whole system, which is the soil moisture sensor and the temperature and humidity, to our Node-RED cloud dashboard, which then can be seen by the user and take essential actions. The prototype FarmBuddy can also run as an independent system without any user input, and that is supported by the command start. As you can see on my screen right now, it continuously keeps on printing the system variables, and it runs as an independent system, and it keeps sending data to our Node-RED user interface, and it can run without any user input. Thank you.